What's going on, guys? It's your boy Dom coming back to you with another video. And today, you already know it's CashFX time, guys. I gotta bring another video out. Haven't hit you with an update with this in a little bit. You know, I put one out a little while ago, but yeah, it's time. So I had to hit you with another one. But before we dive into this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Definitely hit that notification bell so you can get all the updates and all the videos I'm gonna be giving to you. And definitely, you want to whip up that like button, because we in the kitchen and we back at it again. So definitely smash that like button. I really appreciate it. And I just want to thank everybody that's taking the time out to watch the video. But I gotta hit you with that disclaimer. You know what time it is. I'm not your financial advisor, nor will I tell you how to spend your money, nor what to do with it. I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing and giving you information about the platforms that I'm in. If you choose to jump in, you jumped in at your own cognizance. But I can't tell you what to do or how to spend your money. Make sure you do your own research, your own due diligence, and results are not typical. All profits and everything made with any platform is never guaranteed. So I just wanted to put that out there for you. But now that that's out the way, let's talk about CashFX just for a quick little hot minute. I'm not going to be very long on the video. Just wanted to just kind of go over some things that I was watching a webinar last night, late last night, by the way, because I'm always on YouTube and I'm always checking out different things because I want to be more transparent about any business that I get into. So, the webinar that I watched last night, it was very, very, very intense. People were getting hit with the questions. They were getting hit with the questions on this webinar, and I was like, whoa, okay. And everybody was answering the questions right off. It wasn't no stuttering. It wasn't no beating around the bush. Everybody came with it. So this is my thing, and this is what CashFX remind me of. Now, I don't know if you guys ever was involved in a company called Four Corners. Now, Four Corners was way back in, I believe, 2016, may have been 15. Yes, I was in Four Corners, and I made a lot of money with Four Corners. Okay, now Four Corners paid out for a long, long, long time, guys, and um and a lot of people made a lot of money with Four Corners if you came in and built it. Now you have to understand when people misclaim the word passive income. Okay, now people think that when you get into passive income, that's basically just put your money in and just set it, and then you don't have to do nothing and you make a little bit of money. Okay, now it does not work that way these days. Okay, now you can get into these different programs. You can put some money in. You don't have to refer anybody, and you can make a nice little chunk of change. But we all know what we're here for. We're all here to make money. So the ideal name of the game is grow your business to the heights that you can grow your business, so that way you can set it and forget it. If you put in all the work early, then you'll be able to take that time off to build something else. So you have to understand, and you have to understand the difference between that. A lot of people won't tell you that, okay? But I'm giving it 100% real on how you have to maintain and you have to build your business. Yes, you can come into CashFX and spend a little money and get the packages and make a passive income up to 2 or 3% or whatever it is per day. You can definitely do that. But the reason why I brought up Four Corners is because people were coming into Four Corners because it was a low ticket offer. Okay, you can come in with what $7, I believe it was. You could come in at $7 and get into the platform, and then people would come in, and then it would scale up, scale up, scale up, scale up. And it was a bunch of people. I mean, I ain't gonna say bunch. It was a lot of people that were clocking checks that you would never believe on a daily basis. They were clocking checks on a daily basis that you was like, whoa, what's going on over here? Now that's what reminds me of CashFX, because if you build this thing and take this thing to the next level, you do have that opportunity. And here's why I'm going to say that. I know I've been rambling, but I had to get you guys to understand what I'm talking about. Now, people have been getting a little upset. Oh, well, I have to pay 20% in, and then I have to pay 20% when I withdraw. Why do I have to do that? I'm losing 40% when I come into the platform. So basically, I'm only getting 60%. Okay, so why would you get mad at that? Because everybody wants a sustainable business, right? People want something that's going to last long term, right? So that's going to give you the opportunity, and that's going to allow the company to be around a lot longer because they are taking that 40%. Now just look at the people that are jumping into this platform. There's people all around the world. Even if it's not you that's jumping into this platform, there's people that's all around the world. I promise you that every time somebody sends out an email, somebody talks about this business, somebody says anything or does an ad or whatever, or Bing ad, Google ad, whatever. And I'm telling you, when people see this thing, they're jumping into this thing worldwide, guys. They're jumping into this thing worldwide. So I get it. A lot of people want to sit on the sideline. They want to talk noise. They want to get mad. They want to take things to the next level and say, oh, it's a scam. They're not really Forex trading. They're not this and they're not that. Okay, now the reason why I said the 40%, let's get back to that because I got off subject there for a minute. But the reason why I said the 40%, just look at it in this light. Look at it in this light, guys. That's going to help out a lot because just think about it. You get in here, you grind this thing. And I know a lot of you just want to put your money in and you want to, you want to get a little, passive income. You don't want to refer anybody, this, that, whatever. You don't even have to do that. You don't have to refer anybody if you don't want to. All you need is one person. And I'm not telling you how to do it, but if you don't want to recruit anybody, open you a second account. Open you a second account. And put your wife, your girlfriend, your sister, you know what I'm saying, your homeboy, or whoever. Put that on your second account so you can get that one. And then you're going to begin to spill over from me. And then you're going to begin to spill over from my upline. All you need is one person. And that's going to spill over. So every time that you cash out, you're going to begin a percentage of that cash out. That's huge, guys. That's huge. Do you not know how many people on this platform that's already killing it? Ain't even launched yet. But once it launches, you know how many people are going to get in? So all I'm going to say now, this is your opportunity to get in and get your spot in the matrix. Because I promise you this. This is one thing I can promise you. If CashFX is around, because it's not guaranteed. But if CashFX is around, I will promise you this. Look, I can't. I almost said guarantee, but I can't even guarantee this. But I will promise you this: overflow is gonna be coming through this thing like clockworks. I promise you that. It's gonna be flying. People are gonna be jumping in this thing because I'm telling you, this is gonna be the next biggest thing, and everybody's gonna be talking about it. Yeah, they're talking about it. It's the pre-launch. They haven't released all the products yet. It's coming. Don't worry, it's coming. It's coming. And when it comes, it's going to take over by storm. And people sitting on the fence and people are going to be, oh, I should have got in a long time ago. Yeah, you should have. Quit sitting on the fence because I'm telling you, I'm not forcing you by all means. Trust me. You don't have to sign up under me. And I'm not that referral guy. I don't care. If you want to sign up under me, that's fine. If you want to go sign up under, a bigger YouTuber or somebody who's already well known in the platforms, by all means, go do that. Because at the end of the day, we still all eat. We still all eat. Does not matter. You're in it. We all still eat. Whether you sign up under me or you sign up under the next person. Does not matter. All my job is to do is to put this information out for you guys so you can understand what's going on and understand the value and understand what this thing is about to do when it launches in November. Don't be a tie kicker, guys. I'm telling you. And for those of you that follow me on the channel, you already know. You already know. You already know what time it is. That you do. But now it's time to go on and buckle down and let's get this thing rocking and rolling if you choose to want to, roll with your boy. If you don't want to roll with me, it's fine. It's okay. No love lost. Still subscribe to the channel though. Still smash the like button. Still follow me around so you can catch this journey. But I wish I could show you my back office and show you what's going on, but they don't want people showing the back office, and I get that 100%. I want to show you income proof. Trust me, I do. But this thing is rocking and rolling, guys. This thing is rocking and rolling. But hey, it's up to you what you want to do. But if you do want to, you know the link gonna be in the description below this video. And of course, if you want to reach out to me, definitely jump in, the Team Telegram. Jump in the Team Telegram group and holler at me. Get all your frustration out. Say what you gotta say. Come on over there. We can chat. We can definitely chat. And I'll give you more insight on what the plan is and how we can do this. But it's up to you. But all right, guys, it's your boy Dom coming back to you with another video. You know what it is. We in the kitchen and we back at it again. Oh my God, and we back at it again. I might be messing the words up, but I don't even care. But all right, it's your boy Dom, all about passive income, and I'll check you out in the next video. Peace.